Good morning, everyone. My name is Umar. Today, I'm here to present the topic of the costume, the society. So, I'll move with the first slide that is client overview and agenda. This include four topics the first one, the Costume Society came about 40 years ago, creation inspired by growing public interest in fashion history. And the second one is 13 October in 1964, committee created during an inaugural conference at the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. And the third is by the end of the year, over 100 members joined. Agenda is to check social media for the Consume Society, emphasize the chances, and find your own talents to offer suggestions bringing about improvement. I'll move the next slide that is Costume Society website audit user interface. So the strength of this are clear graphics and readable fonts serving to retain the historical atmosphere, friendly user interface with reduced complexity, good pictures. The website present the goal it's serving visually. Opportunities. Overly simple could more colorful to match this theme of fashion. No chat options available for updates and the upcoming events not visible clearly and promptly. And the next slide is Costume Society website audit content strategy. And the strength of this rich, diverse content covering various aspects of costume history and contemporary fashion. And the second point of strength is regular updates with news, events, and blog posts. Good use of images to illustrate costume related content and opportunities. If we discuss about the opportunities, so develop more multimedia content, videos, infographics to enhance engagement, implement a content tagging system for easier discovery of related articles, and created more user generated content opportunities to involve the community. And the next slide is Costume Society website audit accessibility. And the strength of this good color contrasts of readability, alt text present on most images, logical heading structure for screen readers. These are the strengths. And the opportunities are ensure all images have descriptive alt text, improve keyboard navigation for better accessibility, add area labels to improve navigation for users with screen readers. And the next slide is Audit Costume Society Facebook user interface. And the strength of these are simple and creative, all buttons working which were sampled, and the third light theme page maintaining the historical vibe. And the opportunities of this are more pictorial view cloud enhance the interface. And the next slide is Audit Costume Society, the Facebook engagement strength. Consistent likes and shares on post indicate an engaged audience, prompt response to user comment, foster community interaction, and the use of relevant hashtags to increase content discoverability. And the opportunities of this engagement uh, encourage more comments through targeted questions in post captions, implement a regular member spotlight feature to increase community involvement, host live Q&A sessions or virtual events to boost real-time engagement. And the next slide is Audit Costume Society Facebook brand compliance. And the strength of these are consistent use of logo and brand colors across posts and page elements, professional tone in writing that aligns with the society, academic focus, clear communications on of the society's mission and values in the about section. And the opportunities of these are develop more branded templates for different types of posts, etc. Event announcement, historical facts. And the next point is ensure all shared content includes society branding or watermarks, create a distinct visual style of different content categories to enhance brand recognition. And the next slide is Audit Costume Society Instagram engagement. And strength of these are consistent likes and comments indicates an engaged audience, use of relevant hashtags to increase content discoverability, regular featuring of member contributions and events, and opportunity of these are encourage more user interaction through questions in captions, implement a regular costume of the week feature to the drive engagement, host in Instagram live sessions for QAs and virtual tours of costume interaction. And the next slide is audit costume society Instagram brand compliance, and the strength of these are consistent use of logo in profile picture, professional tone in captions aligning with the society's academics focus, clear communication of the society's mission through content. And the opportunities of these are develop a more consistent visual style for graphic and text overlays, ensure all shared content includes society branding or watermarks, create branding templates for different post types, etc., event announcement, historical facts, etc. And the next slide is audit costume society Instagram accessibility, and the strength of these are most images include descriptive captions, use of alt text on same images for screen readers, clear readable fonts used in graphics. And the opportunities of these ensure all images have all text description, provide images descriptions in captions for complex visual or infographics, use more diverse representation in featured images to appeal to a wider. And the next slide is recommendations. The online media presence of costume the society is really vibrant. It combines media in several ways like videos, interviews, collabs, and pictures. There are shootouts and giveaways in the really clever and interesting captions. Still important suggestions to enhance even further include auto tools and auto answer help to increase responses, make a lot of prefabricated answer to offer the views giving mentions, like the reference used for this Bhargava 2023 tomb importance, boost involvement by means of rising following and teamwork Bhargava 2023. And the next slide is to encourage potential new members to join, like in a professionalized primary objective should be members fashion and costume careers and are advanced via industry savings learning and exclusive networking personalized secondary. If we talk about the personalized secondary data, create an inclusive fashion and costume community that makes members feel valued. Humanize secondary objective build genuine connections by sharing inspiring experiences from members. And the next slide is smart objectives. If we talk about the smart objective, in which the point is specific, gain 500 new costume society members within the 6 month, and measurable boost member renewable by 15% year over through enhanced member benefits and loyalty towards achievable increase members conversion rate by 25% from the current average of 10% visitors of to members. Realistic developer tired members model with exclusive access levels to launch within the next 3 months. Time acquire partnership with three top costume design colleague programs to offer student membership rates. And the marketing content strategy slide is marketing content strategy using shootout reviews and interviews create connections between brands and relevant audience, regular plan post video and the live on several social media sites can help one do this. Patterson 2023 reference showcase costume society membership advance of an Instagram live open house. Use the hashtag know your fashion tag on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. The maintain and promote it. Make a costume society tick hub with original costume ideas and join new discount to draw your younger viewers. And the next slide is marketing content strategy. Like DIV historical costume series, a costume minis on global history of fashion engagement pieces of featuring contrast of how fashion has evolved to pique curiosity to advertise membership perks team with vloggers and style bloggers. Mock-up for Instagram, Facebook post. Fashion through the ages journey with the through the time as we explore the evolution of fashion from the opulent styles of the 18th century to sleek designer for today. Discover how history has shaped modern fashion. Know your fashion. And the next slide is mock-up for Instagram, Facebook post. To big shout out of brand. There are stunning new collections that perfectly blend modern trends with the historical elegance. And the next slide is mock-up for YouTube videos. Title: Costume Society team up with Style Star. Description: join us. We collaborate with your favorite style bloggers and vloggers to bring you the best of fashion and history. Discover the benefits of being a Costume Society member through exclusive insight and behind the scene content. And the content schedule for the week one is like Monday we use the platform Facebook using hashtag know your fashion and introduction post on the initiative and objectives. Tuesday we will use the platform YouTube easy beginner historical costume DIY renaissance present blouse and skirt. And Wednesday Facebook we will use the platform Facebook post with the historical background of fashion together with the photo caption emphasizes skilled manufacturer. And the Thursday we will use the platform Instagram post calling out a working fashion brand with the common collection. Friday and YouTube we will use the platform YouTube how to make budget concise Egyptian classicity. And the next slide is content schedule week 2. And the week 2 on the Monday we will use the platform YouTube for upload videos. Costume Society partners with your preferred styles. And the Monday we will use the platform Instagram story poll seeking for followers prepared by DIY fashion video. And Wednesday we will use the again YouTube platform 100 use of dresses campaigning women's fashion decade. But then Thursday we will use again the platform Facebook live session with Q and fashion on history. And Friday Instagram post calling out of work fashion brand with you bombing collections.